Dragonoid truck. Let's find out what you thought. Those scores are locked. Your score to beat from Tristan England and Megalodon at 9.513, and your score for Bakugan Dragonoid is an 8.513, still in the lead. Megalodon.
Keela, it's been such an exciting weekend. We're so happy to have you back here with us. How has it felt to be back at Monster Jam, especially in the stadium setting?
It has been absolutely amazing being able to come out here and represent for all the men and women in uniform. Not only that, I'm out here representing for all of these girls out here. To be able to come out on top of this race win, it's everything that I could imagine.
I mean, these fans are behind you 100%. It's really got to motivate you. When you hear them excited out here in the stands, it's got to make you excited out there on the floor.
Yes, guys. Hearing you guys out here and y'all getting loud motivates us, and I know pumps up every one of us drivers. You know what? I just can't wait to call the little boy and tell him about the Ryan Anderson, Tom Miz, and you know what? All of these legends out here. Oh my goodness, I still can't believe it.
You know, Monster Jam is a family event for you. I know that your husband has also driven Max Team with Monster Jam. So how cool is it to see all of these families out here in the stands?
It's super cool. You know, we love you guys. We are here because of you guys. We're having an awesome time. I want to hear everybody get loud. Let's hear it.
Tristan England, Megalodon currently still your score to beat the 9.513, followed by Monster Energy. Soldier 4 James Halo Blood currently sitting in third, followed by Raisin Kane, Bakugan Dragonoid, and Monster Butt Dalmatian Galaxy. Round out our top 6. We have 2 more competitors left. 12 points on the line before we crown